When an emergency strikes your rental property, you shouldn't be left in the dark or scrambling to fix it yourself. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we handle emergencies so you don't have to worry about unexpected issues eating into your time and profits. We understand that when a burst pipe, a power outage, or a heating failure occurs, every minute counts. That's why we offer a 24/7 emergency hotline that connects you directly with our experienced team. Our system is designed to respond immediately, dispatching qualified professionals to assess the situation and begin repairs. We take pride in our quick turnaround times because we know that a timely response can prevent a minor issue from turning into a major problem. Our goal is to protect your investment and ensure your tenants feel secure and well cared for even when unexpected challenges arise. We start by assessing the emergency over the phone to understand the severity of the issue. Once we have the necessary details, our team mobilizes the appropriate resources, whether that means contacting our trusted network of electricians, plumbers, or HVAC technicians, or sending a maintenance expert directly to the property. Our long-standing relationships with local contractors mean we don't have to scramble to find help. We have the right people on call who know our standards and can work quickly. This approach minimizes downtime and helps to keep repair costs under control. A prompt response also builds tenant confidence. When renters know that someone is always available to handle emergencies, they feel safer and are more likely to stay long-term, reducing vacancies and turnover costs. Our emergency protocols are backed by a comprehensive management system that keeps you informed at every step. As soon as a service call is initiated, we send you regular updates about what's being done, who's on the job, and the expected time for resolution. Transparency is key in our process. We believe that property owners should always know what's happening with their investments. This communication extends to tenants as well. We provide clear instructions on how to report emergencies, what to expect during service calls, and how to prepare for repairs if necessary. By doing this, we create a seamless experience that takes the stress out of unexpected events. Our proactive approach doesn't stop at just handling emergencies. It also includes regular maintenance and preventive measures. Many emergencies can be avoided with routine inspections and timely repairs. We schedule regular checkups on critical systems like plumbing, heating, and electrical installations to catch potential issues before they escalate. Preventive maintenance not only saves money, but also enhances the longevity of your property. By investing a little time in regular upkeep, you can avoid the disruption and expense of major emergency repairs later on. For property owners who might feel overwhelmed by the constant demands of emergency management, partnering with a professional property management company is a game changer. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we take care of all these details, allowing you to focus on growing your portfolio instead of putting out fires. We bring local expertise, cutting-edge technology, and a dedicated team to every aspect of property care. When you hand over the reins to us, you can rest assured that your property is in good hands, even when the unexpected happens. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, you may decide that a property is no longer worth the constant emergency repairs or management headaches. In such cases, we offer another solution. We buy houses in any condition. If you're dealing with properties that require constant emergency fixes, or if you simply want to cash out and move on, we provide a fast, fair offer and a hassle-free closing process. This option allows you to free up capital and focus on more promising investments without being bogged down by persistent issues. Managing emergencies effectively is not just about quick fixes. It's about creating a system that supports your property's long-term success. A well-managed emergency response plan leads to fewer tenant complaints, lower repair costs, and ultimately a more stable investment. Our commitment to excellence in handling emergencies is a cornerstone of our service at Alpine Property Management, Kansas City. We ensure that every crisis is handled with the urgency it deserves and with a level of care that keeps your property running smoothly and your tenants satisfied. When you work with us, you're not just hiring a company to manage repairs. You're partnering with a team that values your investment as much as you do. We believe in proactive communication, swift action, and a commitment to quality that ensures your property remains secure and profitable, no matter what challenges arise. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on property management and real estate investing. Whether you're looking for expert emergency management or need to offload a property that's become more trouble than it's worth, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help. Let us take the stress out of emergencies so you can focus on growing your real estate success.